Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure you're signed into the Apple ID on the device and have the payment details nearby. Open Settings and tap your name at the top. Once there, tap Payment and Shipping. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. If prompted, verify the billing address so changes apply. After you're authenticated, you'll see Current Payment Methods. This is where you begin removing or editing methods. Next, focus on the Payment Methods list. Tap Edit in the top corner to reveal delete buttons, or tap a specific method to view details and change billing info. If an account requires at least one method, add a temporary card or switch to Apple ID balance where possible, then remove the target method. Make sure subscriptions won't immediately bill elsewhere. Check subscriptions under your Apple ID. Once you've removed or replaced the method, the system will update across Apple services. Finalize by returning to the App Store and iCloud settings to confirm the removed payment no longer appears. Sign out and sign back in if changes don't propagate right away. This forces a sync. Make sure there are no unpaid balances or active subscriptions tied to the removed method, because Apple will block removal otherwise. If removal still fails, check your region settings and outstanding invoices. Resolve any charges, then repeat removal. Troubleshooting tip: clear billing issues first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.